Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preserving what matters. Back up your photos and files to the cloud or a PC. This protects data you'll lose. Once done, make sure the tablet is charged above 50% or stays plugged in, because a power cut can brick the device. Next, remove any SD card and write down the Google or Samsung account used. This prevents lockout. Now you're ready to start the factory reset using buttons or settings. Pick the method below and proceed. You'll now perform the reset from the software menu because it's the simplest path when the tablet boots normally. Go to Settings, then General Management, then Reset, and choose Factory Data Reset. This shows what will be erased so you can double-check. Once you review accounts and apps, tap Reset and enter your PIN or password to authorize the action. After you confirm, the tablet will reboot and start erasing. This can take several minutes, so be patient and do not interrupt power. If the tablet won't boot, use recovery mode to force the factory reset. This bypasses Android and wipes directly. Power the device off, then hold volume up plus power or Bixby on some models until the recovery menu appears. Use the volume keys to highlight wipe data/factory reset, press power to confirm, and then choose yes to delete all user data. When finished, select Reboot System Now, and once back up, re-add your Google or Samsung account. If activation lock appears, sign into the original account to resolve it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.